Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we have another sensational baddie to review for you today. If you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun, and if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put her all the way together, and then I go about giving you all her sneaky deaky details. Alright folks, let's go. Alright folks, so we have another Sensationnel Barelace Glueless lace wig, and I got this from Amazon. I got this in the color 1B because you ladies sold out the caramel blonde that I wanted so very much. Now, if you already know, Barelace collection has been out for a very long time. She has a larger grid, 40% thinner lace. She shows more skin, stronger, reinforced, tear-resistant lace fiber. This lace, all in all, which is a closure, is top tier, okay? And I only purchased her for about $40. I think it might have been a little bit under $40. Now, this is what the stock card is giving. Open the stock card up and there's a bunch of information on how to take care of her, what the Barelace collection is really about, and all that jazz. Let's get straight into the cap construction. Again, she's a 6x5. She comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and an adjustable elastic band, and a breathable mesh cap. So this is what the wig is looking like straight out the box. I had to go about plucking her to give her more of a realistic look, as well as an easier melt. And also, I had to cut into her as well. She did not look like she was going to look like what she looked like on the stock card. Say that 3 times. What she was going to look like, when she was going to look like, how she was going to look like. You feel me? Now that I've gone about giving you all her details, I'm just going to go about installing this wig. I'm going to fast forward. You already know the process. It's the cutting of the lace. It's the zigzag, the motions. It's the laying her down with spray. It's using the elastic band. It's blow drying her down. It's taking off the band again. It's putting the lace bond glue or gel, excuse me. And then, you know, adding on some of my foundation to blend the lace. And all that jazz, combing, brushing, styling, blah, 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 blah. So, I'm going to go ahead and let this video fast forward. And then at the end, I'll let you know how I feel about this synthetic unit from Sensationnel. all her details and what she comes with, what she doesn't come with, all that blah, 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 blah. Let's start off on the positive note. She looks good. The 1B is definitely giving black girl magic. You feel me? She is cute. She is big head friendly. She didn't shed. She will tangle. She's a synthetic wig, so you already know that's gonna happen. But she didn't shed. Even with me cutting her, she's still intact. I like her texture, and I also like the fact that she's not super duper shiny. She's giving off a real natural feel. She's giving off a natural, I just got a couple of bundles in my hair, maybe like 3 packs, you know what I'm saying? That's what she's giving, and I decided to keep my edges out. That's what she's giving. She is super duper cute and very affordable, and she's a 6x5. She is very versatile. Now, I wanted to keep her as close to the stock card as possible, but let's get into why I'm really not a fan of her. Like, she's upsetting me right now. Ooh, she's upsetting me right now. First off, I wanted to get her in this color, but she was sold out because you girls, once something comes out, that's it. You guys just saw her out. It is what it is. 2, I wanted to get her in this color, in this style, because it's been a while since I've seen like a butterfly feathered look on a synthetic wig. I tried to comb her forward, but she's still not giving me the butterfly look that I'm supposed to get here. It's supposed to start from like at least right here and then whoop 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 de whoop. But this, as you can see, is longer than that. And granted, I can go about cutting her, but that's not why I wear synthetic wigs. I wear synthetic wigs because I don't want to cut. I don't want to style. I don't want to color. I don't want to do nothing but put this on and go about my business. The fact that I literally had to go about plucking her, which I did. I could have laid her down a little bit better, but which I did. The fact that I had to go about plucking her. The fact that I had to go about cutting into her. Sensational, we about to fight. Cause why? She should have came straight out the pack with them fluffs that they usually put in the synthetic wig that goes like this. I should have had like 10 to 12 fluffs, baby, fluffs. So when I took it out, she was supposed to drop and give me that Farrah's Fawcett type of look. That's what she was supposed to do. And don't get me wrong, she's cute. She's cute. But I had to do some work, and I don't like that. I even had to pull this thing out. I've never had to pull this thing out. I'm not a beautician. I don't want to do all of that because I just want to put my wig on and go. Do I like her? Of course I like her. If I had it in this color, I would have forgave you a little bit. I might have forgiven you a little bit and hit her with an 8. But I'm going to give her a solid 7. I haven't done like a little flip over moment yet. So let's try that together. Where is the comb? Let's try that together and see what she's giving. Because I feel like flip over. What I say? I feel like the flip over might just give me the flips and dips that I'm looking for. You heard? Here's another kid again. I can never do my videos without these kids. Okay, see now, I have to take back that now. Baby, the way I had to take back that 7. Hold on, I gotta take back that 7, baby. Hold on. Now, mind you, she's not a lacy wig that comes ear to ear. I want to say she's giving a frontal kind of look because her lace literally just came to right here, and I didn't have to. It's not ear to ear, so she's giving off frontal looks. But that flip over, Hold on me. That flip over though. Listen, if you happen to like what you see in this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, because baby, she bad, you will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, bye, see you in my next video.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.